Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Okay. Before we start our class, let's pray together. You can help to pray together.
Before we start, pray begin. Yes, finish.
Thank you, Naim.
Yes, good.
Okay. Udah belum Kak duduknya? Udah? Okay. Okay, listen to me. Okay, in the front, Mas Naim. Tolong perhatikan ya.
Yep.
Okay. Before start our class, I want any absent today.
Yes.
Who?
Rasul.
Why he absent today?
He sick. Inshallah. Yes.
Okay.
Last
Today, last week. Mas Naim, can you help me?
Yes.
Listen to me, okay? Okay. Last week we learned about descriptive text. Mas Naim, you know what is descriptive text?
I don't remember.
Don't remember. Why you don't remember?
Yes, because not I remember because I lupa.
Tolong perhatiin ya di depan ya.
Ya.
Dia kali tanya bisa jawab. Oke. Kemarin kita baca tentang descriptive text, yaitu menjelaskan suatu barang benda. Oke, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang narrative text. Ada yang tahu nggak narrative text itu apa? Kalian pernah nggak sih lihat kayak film tentang Disney Princess mungkin yang cewek-cewek? Kalian pernah ya?
Gak ada TV ini.
Amin. Apa judulnya?
Batang kedalaman.
Frozen. Okay.
Yes.
You know what is type of Frozen? No. Okay. So today we can learn about narrative text. Nah, tujuan pembelajaran hari ini yaitu yang pertama, the first is identify the general structure of narrative text, and the second can analyze the general structure of narrative text and can present it. Okay, this is what is today. We'll study about definition, structure, key elements, and example. Okay, this is the first one is definition of narrative text. Mayeni, can you help me for this slide?
A narrative text is a form of writing that tells a story about events. It typically involves a sequence of connected events, character, and a setting, and it is structured to engage the reader's imagination and emotion.
Okay, thank you, good job. Okay, a narrative text is a form of writing, yaitu berarti narrative text itu adalah sebuah tulisan yang menceritakan tentang kejadian atau story. Next is structure of narrative text. Dalam narrative text itu terdapat 4, yaitu orientation, complication, premise, and resolution. First one, of course, this is introduction of narrative text, where the setting, character, and actual situation are established. And the second is complication. This part is introduce the main conflict and problem, and the third is climax, turning of point of story, and the last is resolution, yaitu the conclusion of the narrative text. Okay, this is other general structure. It's optional. You can do or schema, evolution, and product. Okay. This key element of narrative text. Fury, can you help me to reading this slide? Can you see it?
Characters introduce the concept of characters and their roles in a story.
Okay, thank you. Good job. First one is character. Character introduces the concept of characters and their roles in the story. Jadi yang elemen pertama itu adalah karakter. Jadi memperkenalkan konsep dari karakter yang atau role yang ada di story. Terus yang the second one is setting. Explain how the setting, and the third is plot, and the fourth is conflict, and the last is death. Okay, this is example of narrative text. The one is fiction. The fiction have novel, short story, and fairy tales. And the second one is non-fiction. It's biograph, memoir, and personal essay. And the last is poetry and poem that tell a story through verse. Jadi yang terakhir ini biasanya jarang banget ditemuin ya, Mbak Amel. Oke, tolong dengarkan ya. Terima kasih. Yang poetry ini menceritakan cerita dengan nada. Jadi kayak menceritakan dengan dayu atau ada nada. Okay, this is example of narrative text. Afi, can you read first? Yes.
Once upon a time, there were a full name of Eve. She lived with her stepmother and her stepsister named Bawang Merah.
You know what is the title?
Bawang Merah.
Okay, good job, Afi. Thank you. This the example of narrative is bawang merah and bawang putih. Okay, the first paragraph is introduction, of course, and the second paragraph is orientation. Okay, the next is group assignment. So guys, today we have a group assignment analyzing structure of the narrative text. Okay, before that, I want to check group.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Here.
Okay, the first group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you know? No? You second group, okay. The three groups are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Okay,
Yes.
can you see your friend? Can you join the group and the Erna? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Can you one is read the narrative text material provided by teacher by me. And second is from the example of the narrative text. Each group analyzed according to the genre structure. The third is students are given 20 minutes to complete the task. And the last is after completion, students can present the result of the discussion. So, guys, this is the story if you can analyze. No? Okay. Okay, can start. Any difficulties? No. Any difficulty?
No.
Any question?
No, but easy last.
Okay. Any question now? Thank you. Okay, can start. Okay, sure. Second group can present class.
promises. Third resolution. Surah gives up and returns to the sea, and the place is named Surabaya. The coda is the story explains the origin of Surabaya city symbol.
Okay, thank you, Fiore. Okay, can you proceed, please? Now, in the answer of the second group is great, but it's not complete. But this is the complete answer. So the orientation have introduced exciting routes to the station. The example is a long time ago is Java, the two sure animal, and blah blah blah. And the second is complication, the problem of completeness. And the third is resolution, the conflict is resolved or the story concludes. And the last is coda optional. Okay, the second group have coda is a great answer. Okay. Thank you for this meeting. How you feel, guys? Are you happy?
Happy. Very happy.
You're enjoying the class?
Enjoy.
What we learned today, Mas Naim?
Narrative text.
What is narrative text?
Writing that tell a story.
Okay, good. Good job.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So the next week we are learn about descriptive text. So prepare yourself. Did your class please pray together before finishing? Okay, thank you. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.